Hey, first grade, Miss Metric here. It is time for our word building, and just a reminder, we are doing our magic or silent E. And for this review this week, I just want to remind us that we need to be working on our handwriting and especially writing our sentences. So whenever you're writing your sentences, I'm going to start asking you if you have swag in your sentence. So for each letter, it stands for something that we need to have in our sentences. So we have S, W, A, and G for swag. So S, does it start with a capital letter? It better. W, is it written neatly? A, you have a space between each word, or you can think a finger space. And G, given punctuation at the end. So punctuation meaning a period, exclamation mark, or a question mark. So you need to remember, does your sentence have swag? S, W, A, G. Start with a capital, written nicely, a space between each word, given punctuation at the end. I know we can do it. So we need to remember this today when we're doing our sentences. All right, so let's start. So the letters that you need to have today are, you need to have C, O, N, E, P, T, M, A, and H. That's an H. All right, so you need to have those letters. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this set up because I like for you guys to be able to see me before we start these. All right, so those are the letters that you need to have. And I'm going to do a backwards rainbow, right? So I have my writing paper, but before we start, I have all of my consonants here. I have these consonants, which are every letter but our vowels. So I have 3 vowels, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm missing 3 just by looking at these letters. Do you know which letters we're missing? I'm going to give you a couple seconds to try and think about it. Couple seconds. All right, so remember, you just go through the ones that we know, the 6 that we know. So we say A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So A, got it. E, got it. I, nope, that's one of them. A, E, I, O, have it. U, nope, missing it. And last one, Y. So we have A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So we're using 3 out of the 6. So we have half. 3 out of 6 is half. All right. So what we're going to do is we are going to put our first word over here. Bring our other letters up here. So I have these letters. And we have our first word. I have my handwriting for my rainbow, right? And then, like I said, I'm going to use my rainbow colors, but I'm going to do it backwards. So I'm going to start with my purple first, and then I'll do blue, then green, then orange, then red. All right, so let's start. So we have C-O-N-E is our first word. Now remember, whenever we're doing this today and this week, we're doing our magic E or our silent E. And remember, this E makes the vowel that comes before it. In today's case, we're using O and A. O and A are long vowels. So the E is going to make the O say its name, and the E is going to make the A say its name today. So I'm going to write my first word. C-O-N-E. Oh, that E is not good. Almost looks like a crazy O. All right, so I'm going to have you sound it out yourself. So remember, this doesn't say k, on, con. That E makes the O say its name. So we are going to sound that out. You sound it out on your own, and we will sound it out together. Ready, go. All right, so we should be saying cone, cone, like an ice cream cone. All right, so let's change the N to a P, C-O-P-E. I'm going to get my next marker out. And remember, I'm doing an opposite or a backwards rainbow. And this O is still going to be a long O. All right, so let's sound it out. Are we ready? You do it on your own, and then I'll do it with you. Ready, go. All right, let's do it together. Ready, go. C-ope, cope. Nice job, cope. All right, now I know that Zaria has been working really hard at home, and I know that she is probably doing an awesome job with her word building. So let's have us change that O to an A. So now we're on to our next vowel. So we did the O, now we're on to our A. So we're going to spell with our next rainbow right color. We have C-A-P-E this time. C-A-P-E. All right. And let's sound this out. You sound it by yourself, and then we'll do it together. Ready, go. Nice job. Our turn all together. Ready, go. Cape, cape. And who wears a cape? Superheroes. All right, let's get rid of that E. Get rid of the E. I'm going to put my vowels up here. Get rid of that E. And we are going to turn that into an easy peasy, lemon squeezy kindergarten word. And we are going to write C-A-P. Super easy. It's another name for a hat. C-A-P. Go ahead and sound that out on your own. Ready, go. All right, let's do it together. Ready, go. Cap, cap. Nice job. All right. I hope that Ryan is killing it working on this, because I know that he is a really good reader, and we're all practicing together. So let's change that C to a T, and we're making this another easy peasy lemon squeezy kindergarten word. Another easy peasy lemon squeezy kindergarten word. I know Makai's going to be able to do this because he is a super smart kiddo. All right, let's sound it out together. Or no, you sound it out together. I'm not going to say anything. Ready, go. Let's do it together this time. Ready, go. Tap, tap. Nice job. And we're even tapping as we're saying our sounds. Tap. Nice job. All right, let's bring down that E to make it a silent E, long A. So we had a short A. We said to-ap. Now this E is going to be silent and not say a word. And we are going to have it have the A say its name. So E makes the A say its name. I'm getting my rainbow words back out. T-A-P-E. T-A-P-E. All right. I'm going to have you sound it out, and then I'll sound it out with you. Ready, go. Okay, let's do it together this time. Ready, go. Tape, tape. Nice job. Tape, 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 tape. Which is what I'm doing right now. I'm taping myself. All right, let's go back to the last word we just had. And we'll just do this one together because we've already done it on our own once. And it's an easy peasy lemon squeezy kindergarten word. Ready? Everyone together, go. Tap, tap. Nice job. All right, now this time we're going to get rid of that A. Bring down your O. Get your next color out. And I know that Miss Sky Rain has been working really hard on watching these videos too. She's been sending me pictures. I've been talking to her on Zoom. So nice job, Miss Sky Rain. Shouting you out, girlfriend. All right, this is an easy peasy short O that says t. Oop, I almost gave you the answer. Goodness gracious. All right, so this is an easy peasy lemon squeezy kindergarten word. Go ahead and sound it out yourself, and then we'll do it together. Ready, go. Let's do it together this time. Ready, go. Top, top. Nice job. We're going to do another easy peasy lemon squeezy kindergarten word. And we're just going to change that T to an M. T2 and M. T2 and M. All right. I'm trying to see. It looks like we can't really see my screen too well. We'll work on that. All right. Let's do this easy peasy lemon squeezy kindergarten word. Go ahead and sound it out by yourself, and then we'll sound it out together. Ready, go. Let's do it together this time. Ready, go. M-op, mop. Nice job. Hope you get to mop up that kitchen floor of yours. I'm sure it needs some extra cleaning. Mop. We're going to get some friends. We're going to get some other friends to do some work in their house. Miss Sabrina, get to mopping, girl. All right, so we changed mop. Ooh, Miss Mittrick is trying to see, and I cannot see on my computer. My hair is flopping in there. All right, so we had mop, and then we're changing that E is making that O say its name. So go ahead and do it yourself. Ready, go. Let's do it together this time. Ready, go. M-ope, mope. Nice job. I hope none of you are moping around. All right, let's change that M and bring down that H. Get rid of that M, bring down the H. All right, I'm going to have you sound out that word. Remember, we're saying long O, so we're going to mop to mope. Now we're just changing the first sound, so the very end of this word is going to sound the same. Ready? Sound it out yourself. Go. Let's do it together this time. Ready? Go. H-ope, hope. Nice job. Like I hope to see you soon. Okay, let's get rid of that E. We're doing another easy peasy kindergarten word. Oh, my P looks all crazy in that one. Goodness gracious. Get it together, Miss Mittrick. All right. This is our real easy kindergarten word. Go ahead and sound it out all on your own. Ready, go. Let's do it together this time. Ready, go. H-op, Nice job. Hop on top. Okay, you can get rid of all of your letters because it's time to write our sentences again. It's time to write our sentences. So I'm going to move this over here so you can see it. So it can help us if we need to refer over here when we're writing our sentences. I have our piece of paper, and I've just been cutting them in half so I don't waste. I have my black marker so you can see me writing, but you should really be using a pencil. Closing up my marker so they don't get dry. All right. So our first sentence is, I hope to tape my cape. But before we do that, let's talk about swag again. So, does your sentence have swag? Remember, it needs to start with a capital letter. Is it written neatly? Is there a space between each word and given punctuation? So your first sentence is, so I'm going to write number one here. So we have our number one. Number one is, I hope to tape my cape. So whenever we start our sentence, especially with the word I, we always start with a capital. So I, if it's all by itself, just the word I, just the letter I, it is a capital. So I hope. So we have hope is right here. So H-O-P-E. I hope to, finger space, to, T-O. I hope to, finger space, tape. I hope to tape my, finger space, oh, this is going to be tight. I hope to tape my cape. C-A, ooh, where is it? Is it over here? Yeah. C-A-P-E. I hope to tape my cape. All right, so let's check Oh, I hope to, oh, we have tape in here too. That's why I always have to check. All right, so I hope to tape my cape. Now, is that a question word? Nope, so we're not going to be using a question mark. And so we have two other options. Our two options are period or exclamation mark. So would you be super excited if you said, I hope to tape my cape? No. So we're just going to put just a good old little period in there. All right, so let's read this together. Ready, go. I hope to tape my cape. Nice job. All right, let's go on to number 2. And then you can always check again if you had swag in your sentences. So swag, does it start with a capital letter? Yep. Is it written neatly? My top line's written neatly. This isn't written so nicely, but remember, Miss Matrix writing upside down, and if I had an eraser, I would definitely erase it and rewrite. Is there a space in between every word? Yep. Nice big spaces. This one's a little small, but it still looks okay. And then is it given punctuation? Boom, got our period. All right, so let's start number 2, and we're going to start with a capital letter for swag. All right, so our next sentence is, I mope if I drop my cone. All right, so let's start with I. Same way we did up here because it's just the word I, so it's a capital. I, finger space, mope. Mope is right there. Finger space, M, O, P, E. I mope if I, finger space, if, finger space, I mope if I drop, O, P, I mope if I drop my, and man, again, we have that little space in there that we can just barely fit the word my in. Now, my key in my class, she spells her name M-A-I, but we should all know these words because we should know how to spell my now, M-Y, because it was one of our spelling words. All right. So let's write our last word. So I mope if I drop my, and then our last word was cone. Cone. So it's like an ice cream cone. That's what Miss Metric was thinking about when I wrote these sentences. All right, so I mope if I drop my cone. Is it a question word? Nope. Would you be excited if you dropped an ice cream cone? No way, Jose. So we just need a regular old period. All right, so let's read this all together. Ready, go. I mope if I drop my cone. All right, first grade, you guys are killing it. I'm so proud of all of you who have been working extra super-duper hard in at home. I've seen a lot of you have makeshift desks. Some of you are working at your dining room table, kitchen table, in your room, on the floor. Totally fine. So I'm very proud of you. Keep up the good work. And remember, I love shouting out my friends on our portfolio and in our videos to show all of you working so hard. So always send your pictures. Come and visit us on Zoom, all of your first grade teachers, because we love you and we miss you and we hope to see you soon. But like I said, just keep up the hard work. We're proud of you. Keep it up, first grade. See you next time.